So, oh, it's pretty bright today, but I am testing the capabilities of vlogging with this setup because it's a super small setup, and I just want to see. I would probably put a rig here for like when I do car vlogs, but generally speaking, I just want to start using this camera. I already have microphones already, so I will be getting, and I have an adapter for the audio output, the new housing for that, and then it'll be a small metal cage that will then I'll put my comic boom mics on here. If you're ever in the Davao area, this is the Ciudades area right here. If you see behind me, or right there, you can see right there. They have nighttime little, eats, and you can chill and relax over there. Great for the locals. I didn't realize going up the diversion road, there's a pretty big bump in the road. I didn't see it at night, so the bike went inside, and then to the point where it made me jump off my seat a little bit. I caught it on camera too, but that could have been worse than it could have turned out worse, which I'm grateful for that I didn't fall. If you're a eligible bachelor, Jojo's back there. I'm selling her for, give me the price and I'll negotiate the deal. I'm doing a caloric deficit, but then again, sometimes I don't feel like I want to eat anymore. The chocolate coffee, I put some psyllium husk in there today. It pretty much fills me up. So tonight I'll drink some creatine with, I'll do like 10 to 15 grams, and then I'll add some sea salt in there. Himalayan salt in there to bring me throughout the whole entire night. But I really believe, like, working graveyard shift and not getting enough sleep, really, I went up to 200, almost 250 pounds. So now I'm probably comfortably, I don't know what the exchange is for 102 kilos, but I'm definitely losing weight, and I'm trying my best to, I'm trying to find time to work out, to be honest. So I've got to hold myself accountable for that more. So Cabantian reminds me of a bigger Bacong, where we're from. If you recognize this place in Cabantian, this is where we're at, right? If you recognize this place, I live really close to here, and basically right there. I'm gonna get a setup just go right there. Almost like that setup right there. This place, as I said before, offers us a sense of quietness, but you're close to certain amenities. I had to talk with the staff yesterday. You have to be grateful for what you have in life right now, especially in today's status of the world right now. Not to get too political, I don't want to really share my point of view where this whole thing is going. However, it's one of those things where you can only control your own economy, and I learned this from a very successful guy when I spoke to him for quite some time. I was like, I asked him like the usual, like, what did you do to change your life, to do this, to do that? And he says, to refine that talk, he basically told me, like, Gil, there's a million ways to make $1 million. But what I got from that was, yeah, I have to control my own economy. That's the only thing I can do to withstand anything that's coming in, whether it's economically outside of myself. You have to control your own economy to the point where, control your spending, control where things are going, yeah. I don't know what to tell you. I told the staff that something similar to that yesterday, because sometimes in the working setting, some people, not all, some people, there's a degree of entitlement that I don't like. And there's a degree of like, what can you do for me attitude. I don't really subscribe for that. I mean, I'm going to make the best of what I have, and I'm going to be grateful for everything I have and every part of that. There are times where I mess up and I act ungrateful, but I try my best to calm down and try to get to the level of trying to get in that grateful attitude. I am human, so I mess up a lot, so that's all I'm saying. But yeah, next steps are checking out this place and keeping it moving. Bye. GoPro, stop recording.